In this video, I'll guide you through how to search eBay by item number. Whether you're looking for a specific product or verifying a listing, this method will help you find exactly what you're looking for quickly and efficiently. It's a simple process, but knowing these steps can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you have an item number handy. First, let's start by navigating to eBay's homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be directed to the main page. It's always good to ensure that you're on the official site, which is ebay.com, to avoid any phishing scams or fake websites. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar layout with various categories and deals featured prominently. But today we're going to focus on the search bar. Now, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. Instead of typing in keywords or product names, simply enter the item number you have. The item number is a unique identifier for listings on eBay, which makes it incredibly useful when you want to locate a specific item without sifting through a lot of other listings. Be sure to type the number correctly, as even a small mistake can lead you to a completely different product, or worse, no results at all. Once you've carefully entered the item number, it's time to see the results. Press the Enter key on your keyboard, and eBay will immediately process your search. If the item number is correct and the listing is active, you should see the exact item you're looking for displayed on your screen. This direct approach bypasses the need for long searches and helps you get straight to the point. It's worth mentioning that if you don't see the item you were expecting, double-check the number you entered for any typos. It's also possible that the listing has ended or the item is no longer available. In such cases, you might want to reach out to the seller for more information or check back later to see if it becomes available again. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to search eBay by item number. This method is particularly useful for sellers and buyers who deal with a large volume of listings and need a quick way to verify or locate specific items. Remember, using the item number is one of the most efficient ways to search on eBay, as it eliminates guesswork and ensures you find exactly what you need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your online shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy searching on eBay.